How to lock Facebook profile officially. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock Facebook profile officially. To officially lock your Facebook profile, first of all you need to open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here on this interface at the top right, you will find your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon to access your profile. Now on this page at the top, you will find the gear icon. Tap on this gear icon and you will be taken to the settings and privacy page. In this page, you will need to scroll down until you find this audience and visibility section. Under it, on the top, you will find profile locking option. You just simply have to tap on this option and you will reach to this page. Here it says you can make your photos and post more private in just one step by locking your profile. And once you lock your profile, only your friends can see the photos, posts and stories on your profile. People will still be able to send you friend requests, but they will not be able to see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. So after reading it, if you are okay with that, then tap on this lock your profile button at the very bottom. Once you tap on it, you will get the confirmation that your profile has been locked now. At the bottom, you will see a confirmation message that your profile is locked now. Tap on this OK button and you can see you have successfully locked your profile on Facebook. So this is how you can lock Facebook profile officially. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.